Now we go through the third concept. What is the third concept? Third concept name is all know. All know. The third concept name is all know. Third concept here, all know. From the two aspects, now we frame the two statements from that inner meaning or logic or imbibed logic. From that two framed given statements, we go through the two Venn diagrams. From that basic information of that two Venn diagrams and the basic information of that all know concept framed two statements, we frame the conclusion for that given statements. Now we frame the two statements from these two aspects. The first statement, all roses are plants. All roses are plants. All roses are plants. This is the first aspect, basic statement we frame. The second statement, based on the no aspect, and we take the no word here. From that word, from that aspect, we frame the second statement. That was no plant is beautiful. No plant is beautiful. This is the second statement. Based from the no aspect, we frame that this statement from the no aspect. That part, all roses are plants, no plant is beautiful. If we observe these two statements, again, plant, the word plant is the common here. In the first statement, plant is the object. In the second statement, the plant is the subject. That means, when we go through the framing of the conclusion, in those conclusions, plant word is not appeared. Without the plant word, we frame the conclusion. That means we purely depend upon the roses and beautiful. We frame the two conclusions for that row. All roses are plants, no plant is beautiful. For that statements. First of all, we go through the Venn diagrams. Under these two Venn diagrams, taking the basic information from the two given statements, and we frame that two Venn diagrams. Now we go through the two Venn diagrams. First aspect, all roses are plants here. All roses are plants. All roses are plants. And second aspect, no plant is beautiful. Second aspect, no plant is beautiful. That means plant is not related to the beautiful section. Hence we separately we frame the beautiful circle here, Venn diagram here, that sector here. No plant is beautiful. No plant is beautiful. No plant is beautiful. This is the Venn diagram we frame from the two statements. All roses are plants and no plant is beautiful. No plant is beautiful. This is the all no concept, all no concept. Now if we take the another Venn diagram for this concept, that means this beautiful, where we fit this section beautiful, there is no plant is beautiful. So there is no chance this section, this portion, this sector to fit in these two sectors, in these two sections. Hence, we take the beautiful section is separately here. We draw the beautiful sector separately here. Hence, there is no chance to frame the another Venn diagram for this all no concept. From this Venn diagram, we conclude the conclusion for the above two given statements. That conclusion. What is the conclusion here? Very simple conclusion. That means here, no rose is beautiful. That means we did not take the plants in conclusion portion. That means we take the always conclusion portion from the roses and beautiful. Hence, we ascribed the concept or we ascribed the theory for these two sections, roses sections and beautiful section, or roses sector or beautiful sector. Now, from these two portions, we conclude the conclusion for the given two statements. These two given statements are framed from the all no concept. That was the third concept. The conclusion was no rose is beautiful. No rose is beautiful. Conclusion is no rose is beautiful. No rose is beautiful. Because this beautiful sector or section or portion and the roses sector, portion or section were separate from each other. Hence we take the logic, imbibed logic is as in the form of the conclusion in the smooth way, that is no rose is beautiful. This is the final conclusion for the given two statements. These two statements, that is all roses are plants, no plant is beautiful. This is the third concept. Are you clear? Now we go through the fourth concept. What is that fourth concept? Nothing but no concept. Fourth concept name is no. Fourth is no concept. Here we take as no. This is fourth concept. What is the fourth concept name is no concept. For those two aspects, for those two words, now we frame the statements, two statements for that two words or for that two aspects. What are that two statements that were? First, no rose is plant. No